Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Popcorn has been featured on Billboard magazine's 60 greatest dance songs of the last decade. The list serves to highlight dance tracks that helped to define the decade. The Unruly Boss's hit collaboration titled I Know There's Gonna Be Good Times with Jamie XX and Young Thug was ranked at number 16. According to the Billboard article, the track is one of the best dance records of the 2010s. It went on to declare it the undisputed dance anthem of the summer of 2015. I Know There's Gonna Be Good Times was released in September 2015 and has amassed over 16 million views on YouTube. The track was also featured on Jamie XX's album In Color. The list also features Major Lazer and DJ Snake's Lean On, that was released in 2015, Lady Gaga Born This Way released in 2011, and Rihanna and Calvin Harris's 2012 hit We Found Love, among a slew of others. Now, the newly crowned Miss World, Toni Ann Singh, has begun using her voice for charity. Singh has become the first Miss World to record a song to raise funds for Beauty with a Purpose projects across the world. Toni Ann recently premiered her rendition of Whitney Houston's classic I Have Nothing. An accompanying video for the track was also released by the Miss World YouTube channel. The video is now number 19 trending on the streaming platform.
Take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change on my color.
The track was recorded at the legendary Abbey Road Studios in London, one of the oldest recording studios in the world, established in November of 1931. Monies raised from the project will go towards Beauty with a Purpose projects. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you so much for watching.